Hello, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is just a normal regular process video and I am going to do a scrap lift and this is the layout that I am. And total disclaimer, the blue that I put on there, I grabbed Nouveau Mist and I was doing my thing and I was brushing it along and I had it all done. It was filmed, and then when I tried to take and look at my footage of that one, I did not realize that I did not turn off my camera when I was filming with the Scrappy ladies from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. And when I went to go trim the part of leaving it on for 35 minutes, it took out the piece that actually what I needed and left the stuff that wasn't. So ultimately what I did was is that while you're seeing me do up the layering pieces for this, I took my Nouveau mousse, the cracked mousse from Nouveau Drops, and it's the cracked, what is it, Celestial Blue, and it's the cracked, like the crackle mousse is what it is. And then I just took brush strokes across it just to give it a little bit of a blue vibe, because I am using the September HipKit Club collection that when this photo was taken was in September of last year in 2019. So it worked out really, really well. She did her layout as a winter layout and I was like, you know what? I can still do that same type of theme, but be in the fall. So here I am, I'm just placing all of these little bits and bobs of this collection from Pink Fresh Studio, and I'm placing it on there. We are in Target. It's just everyday magic for her. She loves the Target dog, and she always wants her picture taken there when she sees it. So, of course, I decided this time around I'm going to actually scrapbook it and put it into her album because she loves to sit by there all the time. And this has a ton of fall vibes to it, even though that it looks like she's in a tank top, or she was actually in short sleeve shirts and I think honestly flip-flops and shorts, but because it was a fall, I tucked that off and made it look like she was, you know, a little bit cooler than flip-flops and shorts and stuff. So I'm just placing down these little bits. I get out everything. I pull out sequence mixes and florals, and I added this couch to this layout that had nothing to do with the couch because we're sitting in the middle of Target by the Target dog. And you know me, as long as the color matches, it works for me. I do kind of put everything on and then glue it. Now I'm back. It's all done. I wanted to get most of that on there because I realized that the video was going to be a little bit longer than I wanted it to in the beginning. And then I realized what happened to that first part of the footage and realized that it did not take me 33 minutes and some seconds to do what I did to this layout, and realized it was all dead air and then lost this stuff. So it ended up being where it went down from what I thought was going to be a 15-minute video, it went to 8 minutes because I had to delete that part of the footage. So lucky me, right? So here I am, I added some thread and some texture to that one. Make sure that if you are new to my channel, I would love to have you like and subscribe to my channel. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I am running a monthly crop in my group, which I will link down below, along with all of the products that I am using to the HipKit and everything. I am not on the design team for HipKit, but I do absolutely love their product. And if you are back to my channel and you are a subscriber, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you. I am taking these, I think they're from the Marigold collection out of crepe paper. And I'm not a gold person, but ultimately because they put the gold in there, I'm using them because I do like the simplicity of them. I may not quite like the color they are, but it works for this collection and it works for It also works for just what I'm doing in general. And Kaylin actually likes gold, so it works out pretty well to add those colors to this layout. Now I can't say the person's name because it looks French, I think. So what she did is that she did a couple of different little embellishments on the side and then a little bit of an embellishment up, but I decided to stagger my embellishments to come in with a bunch of sequence mixes. Now one of the sequence mixes from Close to My Heart, and I'll link that down below. It's with the bluebells. It's the color of the year that Close to My Heart has. And then I did come in with Spiegel Mom Scraps with Earthly Treasures. Now I'll look and see if this one's available. I doubt it because it is kind of an older one of theirs, but I will link it if it is available in her collection. So my title is going to be Everyday Moments. I'm not even really going to journal on this. I mean, it kind of speaks for itself because she's hanging out with the Target dog, and that's kind of a normal occurrence with us in this household. So there isn't really much journaling I need to do for this one. Now, I am going through and making it look with just a bunch of sequins. I keep making sure that all of the pieces that I have on there is going to work. And then this is when I come in with the next sequence mix because I really love this one, and it matches the blue tones that are in here that aren't quite prominent, but I'm making them prominent now. Also, sorry about the lighting. We're in weird tropical storm weather, and it's cloudy, and then this afternoon when I did this voiceover, it's sunny again after it rained for like 2.2 seconds. So it's just an odd time. So I'm sorry about the lighting on it, but it should still be okay. I'm just placing all of these sequence mixes all over just to add a little bit, and I try to stay as close in the blue section that you see in there. And then I do come in with my splatters, and my splatters are of shimmers, and they are, one of them is Shimmering's the Heavy Metal. I wanted the concrete, I should say, sorry, the concrete color, because I wanted it to add. And then I do a black border around this just to tie it in a little bit. And then the blings I come in with is called Golden Roses, and it's that purplish pinkish color that's in that collection. And then that's about it. So you're going to see me come in with those splatters, get that all ready to go. The still shots are coming up. I absolutely love this layout. I hope that you like and subscribe to my channel. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week, and I hope that you all stay safe and have a wonderful day. Bye.